Hello and welcome to this website at Q International Consultants. Please contact us if you need at Q International Consultants to inform about an update evaluation of your personal investment portfolio, information of current special offers, any changes you may wish to make with regard to fund switching, request the latest copy of the Q Consultant newsletter to inform us of any change of address, to request a meeting or review with one of our consultants for any other inquiries or information. Q International Consultants tells that, as an international investor, you are most likely to be earning a much higher salary than you could reasonably expect to command in a similar occupation in your home country. In today's increasingly complex financial climate, the need for comprehensive financial planning is crucial. The surprising fact, however, is that comparatively few people really appreciate the need for some form of personal financial planning. Experience has shown that some individuals tend to neglect their financial affairs and defer essential decisions until it's too late, while others just do not have the time to study the many sophisticated financial products available to the potential investor. Q International Consultants has offices and clients worldwide. All Q International Consultant staff are highly trained and professional. Occasionally, due to either to expansion into a new location or simply expansion due to customer demand in an existing location, Q consultants may have the need to recruit further personnel. Area manager investment consultant positions require a good working knowledge of the offshore investment industry and have at least 3 years experience in financial services, whether on or offshore. For all administration positions, qualifications appropriate to the job will be required. Extensive training will be given to successful candidates as Q International Consultants provide extremely high levels of service to clients and in turn expect the same level of professionalism from staff. If you are interested in finding out more about an exciting and rewarding overseas position with Q Consultants, please email your CV and contact details to careers at q-consultants-international.com, and you can also follow us at the below links. Thank you for watching this video.